How to know if your Android battery is boosted or optimized. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Step 1. Check for battery optimization settings. Open settings on your device. Scroll down. Now tap on battery, or you can easily search for battery and device gear depending upon your phone model. Now here you can easily select battery uses or app power management. And then check for the option called optimize battery uses or power saving mode. If this option are enabled, your phone is already boosting your battery performance by reducing background activity. If not, open it and turn on the button. Another way to know if your battery is boosted is by using our trusted battery management applications like AccuBattery or Battery Guru. You can download and install one of these applications, open it, and it will analyze your battery health, charging speed, and background app uses. This application offers recommendation to boost your battery life further. And that's it. By following this step, you can easily check if your Android battery is boosted or needs optimization. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.